Oh, I love KFC. All the chicken I love there. Super delicious. Hey guys, welcome to the channel once more. Today we are gonna learn the iconic, the legendary, the original KFC song. So this song is really simple. So it's composed of 4 chords, and those chords are G, D, C, E minor. Those 4 chords can really rule the world. Now, for the strumming pattern. The strumming pattern is a simple down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Wait, I don't even know the strumming pattern, guys. And wait, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down. Remember that, guys. Down, 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 up, down, down, up, down. So yes, down, down, up, down, up, down, down. It's a simple strumming pattern, but it can really go anywhere. Now, here's the trick. In the D chord, right, you're doing down, down, up, down, down, down. When you do the up, down, down, in the first up, down, you change the D to a D sustain 2, which is just removing the middle finger from the D chord. And then in the second up, down, you need to do a D sustain 4. D sustain 4. Wait, a D sustain 4 is adding the pinky finger to the 3rd fret of the high E string. So adding that together, the first up, down, I forgot to add. In the last strum of the D chord, you need to do a D. You just go back to the regular D. So when you're doing the up in the second up, once you go down, you go back to the D. This is a really important part of the song. It really adds the emotion, the feel, the tension in the song. Up, down. See, you noticed it? And then, yeah, just do the strumming pattern for 2 verses. So yes, now for the crazy part. After the second verse, you go to a bridge. The bridge it kind of goes off key, but it also adds something crazy. So right, you sing first verse, then you go to second verse. In the last E minor, the second chord, you keep the E minor. 1-piece chicken. Then you go to B. 2-piece chicken. 3-piece chicken. Popcorn chicken. See, it's really simple. But it adds some extra tension and release. That's what makes music music. So after you go to E minor again, you go to G. And then you do one more verse, then you're done with the song. That's it. That's KFC. Like and subscribe, guys, for more videos like this. Thank you. Peace.